Hi everybody, hope you're fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be talking about the home screen settings of your device Vivo Y35. So if you want to know about the home screen settings of your device, you have to follow a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated. Now watch this complete video and you will learn all about the home screen settings of your device Vivo Y35.